All right, greetings family. We're back at Trinity and we have our beautiful sister Sass and our sister Mama Sophia. Give us a nice introduction about the history of the schools and our relationship as far as Africa for Africans and our donation and connection.
My name is Sofa Nana Asari, the proprietress and the founder of Trinity Home Academy. Africa for Africa. I've been a very good friend to this lady school. Year after year, they've been coming to support us with stationaries, with money, with love. And so we are telling the whole world about Africa and Africans. They are a very interesting group, and we are pleading that each year when they are visiting, try to support us. When you give it to them, it will get to us. Yeah. Yes.
All right.
Our sister Sass, can you present the donations and of the school supplies?
Yeah, this one. Mama, on behalf of Africa for the Africans. On behalf of Africa for the Africans.
Yes.
We are here to let it be known to the world that our children are loved and taken care of, and we're here to support our Mama Sophia, right? These are Africa for the Africans at home and abroad. These donations, these offerings, have been gathered near and far and brought to you for us with love, pure love, because we want you to know that we are with you and we are one, ever one in spirit, right? So this is support. And the monies, folks, here's the conversation. $1, one child.
Absolutely. So folks,
It was a request for me to say, like, hey, look, if we can do something financially, like for each child, and we already have it. Before your call is already answered, and while we're yet speaking, it's done. But for the rest of us, we want to give the email address so how money can be sent. For those that are here that want to contribute, see what we are delivering and what we're committed to, improving upon the and expanding. How can we give offerings beyond today? How can we mail them in and contribute? What's the email address or the best way to get monies and other supplies coming copiously to you?
Okay. Our email address is trinityhomeacademy@gmail.com, and our account number, we send it through Ghana Commercial Bank. I don't have the number.
So you can also accept MoneyGrams and Western Union, right?
MoneyGrams?
Yeah, you can also send it through Western Union.
PayPal, yes.
And also what we want to do, these are the donations. Some of it comes from Peppy Park and the donation she raised in our DC, and then some of those also from the group members. And if any other group members is interested in adding anything financially to the pool of donations, and do so and hand it over to Sass, and Sass will give it to our sister.
Thank you very much.
And one of the things that these donations help is because the school, last time we came here, it was not this completed.
That's what got me.
So
There's something I want to say about progress. You know, sometimes we think progress has to be something really like big and substantial, like you sacrifice and you do that and you make progress over like hundreds of years. But last year when we were here with Peppy Park and we Peppy had collected a lot of money with her annual fundraiser in DC. This is not something that we just do, this is who we are. This is the being part, who we be. We take care of our own, at home and abroad, and that's even before you ask. We can't wait to give in love because we know that it's being deposited into the richest soil, and it's going to grow and flourish. You see, and when we see us and you start loving us, we just want to love you back. So we want to extend this to other folks who are like live streaming in all over the world. This is not a local conversation. This is a global conversation of transformation And we're transforming education at home and abroad too. So if you're educated and you're up here, just raise your hand. Everybody can even go up. Yeah, we love learning. We love growing. This is our future. These are our children. It's all about you. Give yourself a hand. Yes. These are for you.
Then hold on. Who's the goalkeeper? The goalkeeper. You are a goalkeeper, so you have been. Every goalkeeper is a protector.
Oh man, you're a young goalkeeper.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
So,
the goalie.
Yeah, God bless you.
Excellent.
And then who's the
Congratulations.
best player?
Ah, my boy put his hands up first.
Who's the best player? Very good.
He put his hands up
Okay,
first. He was
come
serious.
over.
He said, I'm the best. He's like, there's no doubt about that.
You are.
You play Pasang?
No, you just.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Yay!
No. You also perform. Yes. He said he's the best player. He can play well. So this one is a socks. Okay. You also take it. Bless you. Okay. Good.
All right, family, once again, thank everybody for their generous contribution. And go ahead, Sass.
Yeah, you know, like as the money is pouring in, I'm gonna do this here and take that back. Look, you know, you can't contain what the doors are being opened for in terms of prosperity and money going in from here and now, such that all the children's needs are met under grace and in a perfect way. If there's no wanting for anything here, because the cause is too good for wanting. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. That's a word. But because we are the word carriers, we want you to know, beloved, that we thank God for you. We lift you up. We thank you for your courage, just like Yah Asantuwa. You're a strong sister. Let's give it up for this sister. All right.